Saturday morning. And it's already raining in fact. And a thick clouds up, dark. For sure there is a weather forecast today. A little bit. Brother, you drop us in the stairway to heaven, huh? Because it's the, oh my goodness, the water, my goodness, the rain is so strong. Very heavy rain. So heavy rain in Jeddah today. Yeah, it's flooded already. The street is flooded already. Yeah. Suddenly, it's so strong. Grabe. Naku, baha talaga to. Tama lang nakasakay tayo sa bus. Going brother, huh? She's so slippery. Water on the street. There on the other side is already flooded. It's already flooded on the other side. Yeah. Careful brother, huh? It's a winter introduction actually. It's going so sudden. It's too dark up. That's why it's dark. The clouds are positive. It's full of water up. Yeah, it's flooded. Yeah. Yeah, it's flooded already. It's too much water. The car is on the street. See? Flooded beside it, oh. It's flood water. This is flood. Oh, see? Oh my goodness. Heavy rain. Jeddah with heavy rain. A good vlog today. Yeah. Oh, heavy rain. Yeah. Cleaning all the virus, corona. Inshallah. Inshallah, very strong. And the wind is so strong as well. How cooperative is our driver? He opened the door. Yes, look at that. Also, he's taking video. Look at his arm, his hand. Yeah, no patient will come. I just flooded all over. It's just so sudden. Water dripping on the window. By the window. Flood all over. My goodness. Just watch. I'm showing to you. Just watch, guys. I'm showing to you the area where it has been. corner, the side is full of water already. And it's very bad. Imagine until what time this ends. I don't know how long it will last. Grabe. Ulan, baha na kami. Dinaanan namin is tumatalsik na ang tubig, see? Oh. See? Full of tubig. Oh. Baha na talaga sa kalsada. As in, talsik talaga ang water. As in, talsik na talsik. Yeah, you see, the clothes up. It's very dark. Heavy, more heavier actually. Maybe the bus cannot survive. Look up here. See?
Parang tapos na dito. Oo nga. Yung palang saan tapos na.
Yeah, you see? The water at the other side. See? Oh my goodness. Go inside the hospital, brother.
Yung sa loob talaga.
No way to get down here.
Pwede iwangan dito. Matutunaw kami.
We will be melting. Oh my goodness. After each other. Oh, the water. Here, everybody are stuck up there. I cannot cross there. Oh, I can run. I'm afraid to run.